G'day guys, how are you? Now today I'm going to show you how you can install Virtualbox onto Ubuntu 14.04 LTS. So let's begin. Open up your terminal and type in sudo apt-get install Virtualbox. Type in your password, 80 meg, let it install. My internet is really slow at the moment because I'm at the furthest end of the house, so we'll come back once it's finished. Okay guys, I'm back now, so now that's done, let's take a look here. Go to start set, the start thing, or whatever it's called. You can move it down here if you like. Now let's click on it. Now I'll quickly show you how to set it up. So I'm going to click on new. I want to install Windows 7. Go next, dedicate how much memory you want to it. I want at least a gig. Create a virtual drive, yes. Yes. How much memory? I like to have 30 gig because you can change this in the future, but it's just best to do it now. I feel make it 30 gig. I mean, obviously you can make the storage device bigger. There's just no option that's in clear sight to do it. So you have to use the terminal. So let's choose our operating system. Oh, yeah, here it is. Okay, do that, press OK, now press start. Windows is now loading. Let's make it a little bit smaller, shall we, so we can fit it all in the screen. Okay, turn off the internet just for now, there's no need for it. So to do that, right click on these two screens here and there'll be a tick here. See, just do that and make sure it's unticked. Great. This will take time to install. Just because it's on the hard drive doesn't mean it's going to be super quick like SD. It does take time. Anyways, quick. As I'm from Australia, but I live in Turkey. So press install. Setup is starting. Man, this weather, it's like terrible today. Yeah? Why is it like, has anyone ever noticed that when is like say Friday or Saturday, like say you just finished work, yeah, it's Friday afternoon, you just finished and you think to yourself, I'm going to go to the pub, I'm going to have some beers, it's going to be a good night. And then it starts raining or the weather's just not that great. But yet on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday it's like super hot or the weather's clear as gold, you know. Anyways, I believe everyone would know what this stage is, so I'll come back when it's finished. G'day guys, this is finished installing, so you'll get to this screen here. I think you all know what this is. I'm going to type in Virtualbox PC. I'm not going to worry about password, not now. Yep. That's what this is to install. Now I had troubles getting USBs to work, so I'll show you what I do rather than using USB, because chances are you're not going to print from this, and if you are, you can just drag it to Ubuntu and print it off from there. USBs is a nightmare to work. I don't know why it's not just simple. Anyways, for some people probably it's really simple. I've spent many hours searching forums and typing in things and blah 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 blah, but still nothing. I don't know. At one point I thought maybe my USB was faulty, so I bought another USB and nope, still the same. Anyways, not to worry, so this is finalizing. Now I'm only using one core dedicated to this Virtualbox and 1 gig of RAM, so this is probably why it's a bit slow at the minute. Once this is done, I'll show you how to install the drivers for it, because it's not ready yet. If you enter full screen, it's still small, so I'll show you how to install some software. Okay guys, welcome back. It's just finished setting up and now we are preparing the desktop. It's also slow. Like I said before, I'm only using one core and 1 gig of RAM, so it is a tad slow with that one core. Just you could edit it so it could use 3 or all the cores, but then you'll find that your host operating system, which in this case is Ubuntu, if I was to do something in Ubuntu, it could be slower. Chances are it would be slower, to be honest, yeah. So anyways, quickly hurry up. Welcome. Okay, so as you can see, it's not big. If I was to make this full screen, it's not big. I mean, you could still get things done, but if you were going to use something like Photoshop right now, you'd be like, what? You could not see. So like I said, I've disconnected the internet because chances are I'm not going to go on the internet unless I need to download an update or something. So what you want to do now is you want to go down to this, you want to go up here to devices, and you want to go to install guests CD and download it. Like I said before, I'm in the furthest end of the house, so it's probably going to take 10 years or forever and a day to install. So we'll come back once it's done. Okay, once that's finished finally downloading, press insert, and it's going to create like a virtual CD. Now press on the globe and go to computer, and we can now press enter, and we can go to Virtualbox Windows excuse me, conditions, and we go start, yes, sorry, click on next. If you're feeling adventurous, then I guess you could click on this one, but any standard user, they won't need to do that. So what this is doing is this is installing some drivers and stuff like that that I needed. See? So I'm just going to press yes to that. This is installing, executing, yada. For those of you that do turn off things, we're using msconfig. Do not turn this off. It is needed to make full screen work, and I guess some along my USBs will be able to work. Oh yes, just quickly I'll show you what to do about the USB problem. So hang on, this is installing the display adapter, so video driver. Let me quickly show you. With USBs, right, this has got a problem working. Like it's, I don't know, some people say it works when it wants to. So what I do is I go to shared folders, press on the plus here, choose the folder you want to share, or you can share a whole drive out. Click on the drive, press open, and that's it. If it does have problems, like sometimes I'll have to restart this now for this shared file to work. Sometimes when I do turn the VirtualBox on, it says that it can't find the shared location. No problem, just turn your VirtualBox off, go to the shared folder, remove it, press OK, then go back into it and relink it. And then when you turn on VirtualBox again, it should be there. Okay, so let's turn on this puppy. To make full screen, press the Control and F4, but the right side control, not the left side, but the right side. See right there, the right control is the host key. Using that, you'll be able to switch to full screen. I'm not sure if you can see that. Now you can change the resolution if that is what you want. Here's some options down here. So if you want, yeah, it's coming. See, it's full screen. We'll just wait for the driver to be recognized, and there we have it. As you can see, I go to properties. This is what I was using, just one core, 1 gig of RAM. You can boost this up or you can take it back, and just here you can see that I have, if you can see this, my files from my Ubuntu system are here, as well as the Windows one. To exit this, right control and that. So let me just show you, just in case you could not see. There's my Ubuntu files that I've shared it before. Here's the C drive, and yeah, it's good to go. So if this video has helped you, please comment, rate, subscribe, and please, if you have any problems, please let me know, and I'll do my best to help you out. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.